life process in bacteria. Life process in bacteria, there are two. One, respiration. Two, nutrition. First, we see respiration. Two types of respiration are found in bacteria. They are, one is aerobic respiration, another one is anaerobic respiration. We see first aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, these bacteria is require oxygen as terminal acceptor, will not grow under aerobic condition. Example, streptococcus. Obligate aerobes. Some micrococcus species are obligate aerobes. They must have oxygen to survive. Oxygen is must. Second one is anaerobic respiration. These bacteria do not use oxygen for growth and metabolism but obtain their energy from fermentation reaction. Example, Clostridium. Next, facultative bacteria. These bacteria that can grow either using oxygen as terminal electron acceptor or anaerobically using fermentation reaction to obtain energy. When facultative anaerobes such as E. coli present in site of infection like abdominal abscesses, it can rapidly consume all available O2 changes to aerobic metabolism, producing anaerobic environment that allows anaerobic bacteria that are present to grow and cause disease. Example, Escherichia coli and Salmonella. Next type, capnophilic bacteria. This type of bacteria which require CO2 from growth are called as capnophilic bacteria. Example, Campylobacter. The life cycle process in bacteria, the second one is nutrition. On the basis of their mode of nutrition of bacteria are classified two types, namely autotrophs and heterotrophs. One is autotrophic bacteria, another one is heterotrophic bacteria. We see autotrophic bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria, the bacteria which can synthesize their own food are called autotrophic bacteria. They may be further subdivided: photoautotrophic bacteria, hemoautotrophic bacteria. The first one is photoautotrophic bacteria. The bacteria use sunlight as their source of energy to synthesize food. They may be photolithotrophs. In photolithotrophs, the hydrogen donor is an inorganic substance. One is green sulfur bacteria. In this type of bacteria, the hydrogen donor is H2S and possess pigment called bacterioviridin. Example, chlorobium. Another one is purple sulfur bacteria. The bacteria belong this group. The hydrogen donor is thiosulfate. The pigment is present. Bacteria chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll containing chromosomes are present. Example, chromacium. Photoorganotrophs. They utilize organic acid or alcohol as hydrogen donor. Example, purple non-sulfur bacteria, Rhodospirillum. Photoorganotrophs only utilize organic acid or alcohol as hydrogen donor. The second one is hemoautotrophic bacteria. Hemoautotrophic bacteria, they do not have photosynthesis pigment, hence they cannot use sunlight energy. This type of bacteria obtain energy from organic or inorganic substance. One is hemolithotrophs, another one is hemoorganotrophs. Hemolithotrophs, This type of bacteria oxidize organic compound to release energy. Examples: sulfur bacteria, thiobacillus thioxidans; iron bacteria, ferrobacillus ferrooxidans; hydrogen bacteria, hydrogenomonas; nitrifying bacteria, nitrosomonas and nitrobacter. Chemoautotrophs. This type of bacteria oxidize organic compound to release energy. Example: methane bacteria, methanococcus; acetic acid bacteria, acetobacter; lactic acid bacteria, lactobacillus; lactic acid bacteria, lactobacillus. Next, second type, heterotrophic bacteria. They are parasites, saprophytes and symbiotic. The examples of parasites: Mycobacterium; saprophytes, Bacillus mycoides; symbiotic, Rhizobium. These are the heterotrophic bacteria. Reproduction in bacteria. Reproduction in bacteria. The bacteria reproduce asexually by binary fission, gonidia, endospore formation. The binary fission, the unfavorable condition, produce endospore formation. The favorable condition produce binary fission. Binary fission. Under favorable condition, the cell divides into two daughter cells. This is the mother cell. This is cell wall. This is nucleoid. This is the cell formation. First, the nuclei divided into two parts. After, the cell wall produced in center part. Finally, two daughter cells are produced. So, binary fission. Under favorable condition, the cell divided into two daughter cell. First, the nuclear material divides first, and it is followed by the formation of simple medium construction, which finally results the separation of two cells. Binary fission. The nuclear material divides into two, the formation simple medium construction. After, finally produce two daughter cell. Next, endospores. Endospores. Unfavorable condition, bacteria produce endospores. Endospore produce unfavorable condition of bacteria. The endospore produced examples: Bacillus megatherium, Bacillus pernicious and Clostridium tetani. Endospores are thick-walled resting spores. During favorable condition, they germinate and form bacteria. This is the endospore. This is the thick wall of endospore. Sexual reproduction. A typical sexual reproduction involving the formation of fission of gametes is absent in bacteria. However, only the gene recombination can occur in bacteria. This is three types, three different methods. They are: one, conjugation; second one, transformation; third one, transduction. One, conjugation. Conjugation. Lederberg, Edward Tatum demonstrated conjugation in E. coli in the year of 1946. In this method, the gene transformed donor cell gets attached to the recipient cell with the help of villi. The phyllis grows in size and forms the conjugation tube. The plasmid of donor cell, which has F-plus, undergoes replication. Only one strand of DNA is transferred to the recipient cell through conjugation tube. The recipient completes the structure of double-stranded DNA by synthesizing the strands of complete the strands acquired from the donor. This is the conjugation figure of conjugation. This is conjugation Fili. This is F plus L. This is F minus L. F plus L present in plasmid. F minus L absent in plasmid. After the cell the plasmid, one strand passes to go to F minus L. Finally, the F plus cell. Finally, the two cells are gets plasmid. Two cells are F plus cell. This is the conjugation. Bacterial sexual reproduction. Second one is transformation. Transformation. Transfer of DNA from one bacterium to another bacterium is called transformation. In 1928, the bacteriologist Frederick Griffith demonstrated transformation in mice using Diplococcus pneumoniae. Two strains of this bacterium are present. One strain produces smooth colony and are virulent in nature. In addition, another strain produces rough colonies and are avirulent. When S-type cells were injected into the mouse died. When R-type of cells were injected, the mouse survived. He injected the heat-killed S-type cells into the mouse. The mouse did not die. When the mixture of heat-killed S-type cells and R-type cells were injected into the mouse died. The avirulent rough strain of Diplococcus had been transformed into S-type cell. The hereditary material of heat-killed S-type cells had transformed R-type cells into virulent smooth strains. Thus, the phenomenon of changing the character of one strain by transforming the DNA of another strain into the formation is called transformation. This is the picture of transformation. This is R strain. R type of bacteria injected into mouse, the mouse live. S strain injected to the mouse dies. Heat killed S strain, injected to the mouse lies. R strains injected mouse lies. Heat killed S strain injected mouse lies. The two types R strain and heat killed S strains both simultaneously injected the mouse dies. The donor cell DNA, the host cell, this is a recipient cell. The donor cell DNA, S-type, the donor cell DNA gives DNA. The recipient cell is changes to S-type. This is the transformation in bacteria. Bacterial sexual reproduction. The third one is transduction. Zinter and Lederberg discovered transduction in Salmonella typhimurium. Phage mediated DNA transfer is called transduction. Transduction is of two types. One, generalized transduction. Second one is specialized or restricted transduction. Generalized transduction. The ability of bacteriophage to carry genetic material of any region of bacterial DNA is called generalized transduction. Specialized transduction. Specialized or restricted transduction. The ability of bacteriophage to carry only the specific region of bacterial DNA is called a specialized or restricted transduction. This is the picture of transduction. This is the page. This is the bacterial cell. This is the page DNA. This is the bacterial DNA. The page DNA insert into bacterial cell. After the generalized type, the bacterial DNA or phage DNA are both are produced. After maturation, the page are produced. Some pages are virulent page. That page DNA only carrying page DNA. In another type, disaffective particle. This page carrying bacterial DNA. After release, the disaffective particle, the page attached into bacterial cell, into insert that another bacterial DNA. So this is one bacterial DNA. This is another bacterial DNA. So this is called generalized transduction. The another one is specialized transduction. This is phage DNA. This is bacterial DNA. The phage simultaneously getting phage DNA and bacterial DNA. These are all pages disaffective particles. These attached one bacterial cell. It's insert bacterial DNA, release bacterial DNA and viral DNA. These are the attached in bacterial DNA. So the viral DNA, the one bacterial DNA, the another bacterial DNA are attached in same bacterial cell. This is specialized transduction. This is the transduction of bacteria.